Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. It's summer, which means the kids are home, and they're home, and they're home. And they're hungry, and they're hungry, and they're hungry. And all they're doing is eating all the food. And so in order to tame the beast of the snack monster, I am creating a snack station using the pantry stackable bins from iDesign and the Home Edit. I love these bins so much because they are stackable. Boom. You can reach in and grab what you need. And they are like cabinet, like if you have standard cabinets, they will fit in. For our kitchen, we don't have standard cabinets, so this is going to be sitting out on the counter, which I don't have a problem with because it looks nice and pretty. Thank you, iDesign and Home Edit. So to create a snack station, what you want to do is just give your kids the options of food that they can eat and keep it out and teach them like, this is where your food is. So for us, we buy, the little snack bags of a bunch of different foods, and then we also buy food in bulk. Now we've set up the best snack station ever because the kids can all get what they need, grab a snack, and go. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.